Bitcoin is sitting at an all-time high, over $110,000. If we look at the chart today, it is up slightly over 3%, 7% on the week. And just let's look at the all-time chart. Look at this, guys. This is absolutely insane. Massive returns. Whoever invested in Bitcoin early, whoever started mining early. But personally, I believe Bitcoin will go much higher than this. And I believe right now it is one of the best times to start mining Bitcoin. And in today's video, I will show you exactly how much I got paid out mining BTC. This is literally my first payout with GoMining, and I wanted to share with you guys. All right, so we are in my dashboard account. As you can see, I currently have 4 miners. I'm getting around 11.65 terahashes, and this is my efficiency with the discount as well. If you are interested in mining Bitcoin and you want to give it a go, but you don't have thousands of dollars to invest, I highly recommend GoMining. I do have a link for them in the description box below, and if you use that link, you'll get 5% cash back on your first miner purchase. So let's quickly go over to the miner marketplace, and this is where you can purchase miners. As you can see, you will have all the information, how many terahashes, the efficiency, and the ROI. So we can sort by the lowest price, and as you can see right now, the cheapest miner is only $27. So if you have $27, you can literally start mining Bitcoin today and get daily payouts. You can also create your own miner, which is super easy. All you got to select how many terahashes, your efficiency, and as you can see right here, it is only $25.99 for this miner. Obviously, you're going to get 5% cash back if you use this code, but when you press next, you can pay with your Visa card, your MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay. You can even use crypto as well. So I highly recommend GoMining. The link will be in the description box below. And let's click on the rewards. This is how much I'm making every single day. So when we copy this amount, let's quickly go over to see how much it is worth. All right. So currently I'm making 67 cents a day worth of Bitcoin. Obviously, it is not a lot of money, but it does add up, and over time it will be worth much more, especially as I keep getting more miners from the marketplace and I keep growing my little farm that I have right now. All right, now let's look at the first official payout from GoMining. We're going to click on my Bitcoin account, and as you can see right here, today I have withdrawn 0.00046855 BTC. And you're wondering, how much is that worth? So let's quickly paste it right here one more time. So my first payout was $51.81 worth of Bitcoin, which is not bad at all. Obviously, guys, I wanted to cash out just to show you guys that it is definitely doable. You can definitely earn some passive income mining Bitcoin on GoMining.com. So I highly recommend this site, and hopefully this is first of many. My plan is to simply stack Bitcoin as much as possible and accumulate as much of it as I can over time. So that is what I'm doing. I'm simply mining Bitcoin, cashing it out, and stacking up. Simple and easy. These are the miners that I currently have. I will be purchasing another miner here in a couple of days, so make sure you stay tuned for that video. $25 here, $30 there. I'm constantly stacking up on these miners and increasing my daily payout. As you can see, Bitcoin is on the rise, and I want to turn my 67 cents that I'm making right now into $6.70, maybe even $60 and something. Who knows? My goal is to get to around $10 to $20 a day worth of Bitcoin, and then I will simply stack up as much as I can. BTC is definitely here to stay, and I want to have a big bag of it as soon as possible. Obviously, this is not a get rich quick scheme, and it will definitely take some time, but I believe Bitcoin will continue to climb higher, and who knows, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, Bitcoin might be at 400,000 or 500,000 or maybe even 1 million. But in my opinion, it is definitely something that I want to have in my portfolio. So that is it for this quick video. Let me know in the comment section below, what is your goal with GoMining? How much you want to make every single day mining BTC? Drop that in the comment section below. Subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.